Hi everyone, it's me Jeffery from DPI Technology, your Mr. Pro Printer channel. So today I'm going to show you again the HP new white ink series, HP LATEX 700W and 800W. Many of you will always think about white ink printing. Either is for window graphic or Roadtax sticker. But actually, do you know there is another amazing and fantastic application? You should look into it, and it is very valuable business opportunity for the white ink printing, backlit, or we call it lightbox printing. So on my hand, you will see a backlit film and a transparent sticker. Why is so special? For the common lightbox printing, you always will think that the color will be a bit darker or matte. But with a white ink application, you have an option. It's called day and night. So how is the process to be done? Let me show you in the video. Amazing? It is fantastic. You won't see darker color or darker tone before you switch on the light, and you can have a two viewing or remain unchanged viewing before and after you switch on the light box. So this is called day and night. If you would like to know more, stay tuned to my next video. I'm your Mr. Pro Printer channel's host, Jeffery. Thank you. So hope you will like my video, and please like, subscribe and share my channel to everyone. Please feel free to contact me or our company as below. And you can also contact our company sales, Theo, Johnson, Lai. Stay tuned for the next video.